Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ngenimba. Well guys, let me just ask you, between uZethu and uThumeka iliphi iside ke okulona, because le storyline ke sika Thumeka noZethu sesivele sakhoza ukuthi abantu ke baxaba lapha la ke inkundla zokuxhumana, abanye bathi cha mina ngichebe noThumeka, vele uZethu is not fit ukuthi angaba ke umama ke wale ngane ngoba ke unenkinga ke eziningi, bese kuthi abanye bathi cha ingane phela ke ekaZethu, uZethu udinga nje usizo ukuthi ke angayikhulisa kanjani ingane, kube khona umuntu ozokho emnakekela because she's a first time mom and kuningi nje angakwazi and udinga ke usizo. So guys, mangabe checka ke istoryline kuyavela ukuthi ke uThumeka into azoyenza ngicanga ukuthi uzobuyisa leya character yakhe as ugoodness, abuyisa character yakhe as unobuntu laphana ke ku generation ngendlela ke abuya benenhliziyo embi ngakhona ke guys uThumeka. So ke uThumeka guys uzothatha ke uZethu amuse ke inkantolo ayofuna icustody yengane kaZethu ukuthi kube uyena ke ozoyinakekela ngoba uZethu akakhoni ugada ke ingane. Uzosebenzisa ke the story yokuthi ngifica ingane ikhala uzethelele umnyango uvuliwe, and she don't know the whole story ukuthi kahle kahle uZethu ingane ubekade ke eyishiyeke nosisi wakhe, wathi usisi wakhe ayisisi ungaphumula kancane, kanti usisi wakhe uzophuma avuka ukuthi ke uthokozile. So guys, yeah, I was just checking ama comment abantu ke la enkundleni ke zokuxhumana. Omunye uthi at this point hate me sana but I'm with Thumeka. Zethu was supposed to go there with amapolisa. Why was the child alone endlini kuqala? I'm with Thumeka on this one. uZethu needed the truth. I'm convinced this time around Thumeka ngu fly by night ngoba she can be very cruel xa ethanda. I'm with Thumeka on this one. Shame the way she handles Zethu. My Thumeka can act. Can Thumeka give Zethu a break bandla? Wasethi ke lo omunye Thumeka get to be so harsh. That time she also went through the same thing when she had uyanga ewe. It was wrong for the child to be left alone, kodwa uThumeka sethatha ke ichance ke ngoku. Yours died while trying to get away from you would have been my reply. See, this is why I always choose to walk away from argument. Even I get shocked by the things that come out of my mouth. This time I'm with Tooms. Guys, I don't want to lie. I know ukuthi uZethu ne problem. I know ukuthi ke uZethu ingane ayikho safe naye at this point. But for uThumeka ukuthi amthathe amuse enkantolo ayofuna icustody yengane, I think this is too much. This is way too much. You cannot take ingane yomuntu ufuna ukuthi kube ingane yakho na unezingane zakho. uZethu the only thing that she needs is support. Aiba bathatha umntana, maybe if she can do a temporary, I don't know what do you call it, but if angayithatha ke temporary ke ingane it can be better. But nje le ukuthi ayithathe nje full time afuna ukuthi ingane kaZethu kube yakhe full time, I don't think it's going to work guys. This thing will just break uZethu even more than indlela ke abreke ngakhona ke njengoba ke ethi go through ukuba ke first time mom. So yeah guys, maqhubeka kuyavela ukuthi nje ama families they'll be fighting. Uhlathi on the other side akavumelani kahle noThumeka ukuthi ke angathatha ingane ke kaZethu, and yeah guys, the whole family nje ayikho happy ngalento. But I think uThumeka is just trying to replace ingane yakhe yashona, phela washonelwa ingane lo muntu naye futhi ke azange aze aye for like counseling. Na usane stress nje uwashonelwa ingane, kwathatha inhliziyo ingane yakhe yawufakwa enganeni kamnakwabo ngabomnakwabo ngamambiza ngani. So now you are doing usizo guys. I don't think this child it deserve ukuthi ngahlala na uThumeka. At least if bizohlala ke nomamkhulu uma kaXolana, hayi uThumeka na uneyinkinga zakhe nje ahleze ebhekene nazo. But anyway guys, do comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi wena ubani kufanele kube yena ke ophatha ke lengane. Bye.